Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Greg, from LeGrand Drain Cleaning and Pressure Washing, Gainesville, Florida. In today's video, we're going to find out whether or not the new Voterx side inlet really does have more suction power than the standard inlet. So stay with me. We'll be right back. Hey guys, thanks for watching that little self-sponsored video. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up, hit the share button, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and use those links so we can bring you videos like this. So what we're doing here is I'm going to take the vacuum cleaner first, the normal way it's set up. I'm not going to attach all the hoses or all the aluminum pipes. I'm just going to run the hose. But I've got these different rocks. I numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These three aren't numbered because they're bigger, and that's pretty heavy. So I'm just going to start sucking these and see if they'll either pass them through without getting clogged, or if if it even lifted up. I don't have a real gauge to use. I'd have to go buy one for about $100. So hopefully this will work out. And let me get the vacuum set up and we'll check it out. Caution, the tests you are about to watch are highly scientific, infallible, perfect. No, okay, just kidding. What I'm going to do, guys, instead of sucking everything through the vacuum for right now, because I don't really want to see if anything's going to clog the hose, I'm going to try to lift objects up first with the regular hose, just the end of it, and then I'll try to maybe suck up this box and put rocks in it and see how many it'll hold and suck up, if it'll even work. And then when I get done putting the Voterx on, we'll try that hose and compare the difference. Welcome back. Here we go. Ooh, wow. I had to get something even heavier. Okay, let's turn that off a second. Alright guys, so here we got a gallon, less than a half gallon, and this is a half gallon. So let me see what this will do. Try with the less than half gallon. Let's turn this over. I don't know if the big one, that has things in it, the big one will get a grip on that small piece. Now I'm going to do it. Try this one. Try this half gallon. Okay, we'll do the half gallon. Gotta find something else. Okay guys, it'll pick this up if I add this rock, and it won't pick it up. Okay, so it'll pick it up. If I add this rock, pick it up. If I add that rock, just won't do it with that extra rock. So we'll put that rock aside. See with this rock, try with this one. I'm just going to hold it. Nope. I'm going to turn this on. Now, bear in mind, this is opened up. Okay, I just want you to watch this hose when I start putting with this full open. Just watch what happens to this hose from just the suction going through this hose, even though it's open-ended, with the motors on. See that? Look at that. You see it all tighten up? Just like hold the hose. The other hose didn't do that. Look at it. Wow. Okay, let's go over and try the bottles. Welcome back. Let's test her out with the super scientific, the one and be all test that I came up with. So there's new hose. I got my same rocks. Now, I can tell you I've already turned this on and tried it. It sucks a lot better, but I'm going to try to pick it up and see if I can put rocks on it, whereas before I couldn't. So bear with me. Hang on. Alright, are we recording over there? I guess we are. So watch this, guys. I don't even have to, that other one wasn't doing that. I don't have to find the sweet spot. I mean, look at there. Putting these rocks on, I am not holding this, guys. I mean, that's the difference. Yeah, there's a lot of difference. I really do need to get a gauge and find out what exactly that'll, exactly how much stuff that has on it. That's pretty good, man. That's all 3 rocks before I can get one. Check that out. All right.